So today's project is to try and repair the wrist seals on my dry suit because the water temperature in Fort Lauderdale got down to 73 degrees, which is a little too cold for me. Broke out the dry suit and came up with arms that were flooded with water. And when I took a look at what was going on, I could see that I've got some little holes as the seals start to separate from the dry suit. And you can see how that's starting to peel away a little bit. And in some places, I actually got my finger all the way in there. So what I'm going to do is try to glue that back on. I called DUI, who's the dry suit manufacturer, and they said to use a latex glue. So I grabbed one of those at Dive Gear Express yesterday, and we're going to peel it away, clean it, and try to re-glue it and see if we can get another season out of this. I want to stuff something in the sleeve to keep the shape. I tried this Nalgene bottle. It was just a little bit small, so I found if I put a rag around it, I can stuff it into the sleeve. That gives it some shape because I didn't want to completely tear the seal off of there. I just want to peel it back and keep it into position while I re-glue it. That seems to hold the shape pretty well. Just like that. And next I'm going to just peel it back all the way around. And I want to hold it in place here so that it doesn't come away because it's positioned in the right place. What I want to do is just add some fresh glue in here where it's kind of peeled away. I'm going to put a piece of duct tape around the bottom. That should hold it in place. Alright, good. I was going to use a little sandpaper, but I'm afraid it's too brittle. I may destroy it, so I'll just use this acetone here. Clean the surface really well before I glue it. Clean in both sides. Alright, and then this is the glue that I got from Dive Gear Express. K-Flex adhesive. It definitely smells like contact cement. I'm doing this outside. Alright, roll it back down on here. Drysuit seal update. So I glued those seals back on, went for a dive, and I still had a lot of water coming in my sleeves. So I think they're still just a little bit too brittle, not making a good seal around the wrist. So it's time to fully replace them, and I thought I'd add that to the video here. So what do we have? We got the Drysuit. We've got new seals from Dive Gear Express. We got the same glue, we got some duct tape, we got a cup of coffee, some gloves, some cups that I've put some plastic wrap over the top because they're going to go inside the sleeves to give them the shape. and bug zapper in case the mosquitoes come after us here. So first thing is to remove the old seals, and even with the fresh glue, just you can see behind here, just didn't really want to make a good seal. So they're already coming off pretty easily. I don't even need to apply any heat. I'm going to sand it with some 240 grit sandpaper. Now take the new seal, turn it inside out, and slightly scuff that up as well. Now I've got my cup inside here, and I'm going to test the fit. Turn it right side out again. Into position. Alright, we'll fold it over, clean it with some acetone, and then glue it up. Now 2 thin layers of the glue, let it dry for, it says 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll reattach it. And here we go with the moment of truth. Gently rolling it back down evenly all the way around. All right, we'll do the other one. Take it for a dive. All right, that seems to have worked. I got dry arms now. Great success.